Hi, Nene. Daniel, say hi to the camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Are you muddy?
Yeah.
A little bit. Daddy, what are you doing? A sewer pipe. Okay. Cool.
Okay. Nene, you want to go in the lake?
No.
Want to get a picture of Nene in there?
No,
Sure.
no.
Nene, come here, Nene.
Right now I'm filming.